We wanted to do something really special this year, something that really knocked everyone's socks off.
Feels like you're going back to a traditional print era.
Digital printing on superfine, they were captivated.
It's roughly 2 or 3 times the thickness of a traditional business card. Our new product Luxe sets a completely new standard for business cards and for print.
Mohawk is a manufacturer of fine papers and has been doing that here in upstate New York since the early 1930s. The product that people most associate with us is Mohawk Superfine. Now Superfine is really being pulled into the digital age and interestingly being revered for its same properties that it was 40, 50 years ago, which is beautiful formation, just this incredibly beautiful feel and variety of shades. Papermaking is really about careful combination of certain pulps from different sources. We put that recipe together in large hydropulpers. Those pulpers mix that slurry together of pulp and other ingredients. When that reaches the paper machine, water is introduced such that when that slurry comes out onto the wire of the paper machine, it's 98% water and only 2% solids. Those solids, those fibers, are being moved around in a very specific engineered fashion so that they create a beautifully formed sheet of paper. As that's moving through the process, it's then a matter of getting water out of that. So going from 98% water to 95% fiber. Through drying, through this series of dryer cans, and then ultimately to a dried reel of paper, which is then sent into finishing, which means it gets down to sheet levels that then meet the rigors of a digital press and perform consistently and beautifully every time they run through that press.
The challenge was to create the next level of business card.
MOO came to us with a really interesting idea about creating a sandwich of paper.
So in an attempt to create a thicker, more luxurious card, we realized there was an opportunity to put a color in it. So sandwiched between 2 very, very fine external sheets of paper is a thick vein of color. Blue, a beautiful black, and a red. It also comes in the vanilla, plain variety.
It was something that we had to go out and invent. It had been a journey of experimentation, knockbacks, looking at ways we could make it work, people saying that it wouldn't work, people saying it couldn't happen.
It's difficult to achieve a 32-point thick business card.
We wanted to overcome those challenges with this product. We wanted to make it perfect.
Well, we're doing something with this that really was only possible before in an entirely different way of manufacturing.
How the paper is fit together, how it works, how it goes through the press, making sure that even though we're printing this extremely thick business card through a printer that we're pushing to its limits, that we still get the best quality print.
It's incredibly thick. Most premium business cards out there are at best 300 grams per square meter GSM. Luxe is double that, 600 grams per square meter.
Traditionally, you would have to gone to a boutique printer and commissioned this project. MOO Luxe is accessible to everyone. You don't have to go to a boutique printer. You can come to us, you can upload your 50 designs and use Printfinity.
And of course with Luxe you can take full advantage of MOO's Printfinity technology, having a different design, a different photograph, different information on every card.
A, luxurious cards, B, superfine cards, and C, cards that have unique backs to them using Printfinity. That was really, it seemed to be a game changer.
Absolutely beautiful paper. We use an incredible line of colour running through every card. They come in beautiful, bespoke, custom packaging, and they come with a range of curated designs, completely unique to MOO.
In the age of digital communications, the business card seems to be emerging as the key sort of stationary component.
It's that physical connection. That's why business cards are still so important in this day and age.
Luxe has been designed to make an impression, and not just an impression, a great impression.
MOO Luxe cards using quadplex text.
MOO Luxe and quadplex text.
In MOO Luxe cards using Printfinity, no.
MOO Luxe and quadplex.
Sorry,
Using quadplex.
quadplex technology.
MOO Luxe and quadplex technology.
MOO Luxe business cards using quadplex technology on Mohawk Superfine.